Today we have a very early morning here as we head out to Port Canaveral. We have the big arrival of Disney Adventure. We did an own dedicated video just for that arrival. You've already seen that probably at this point. If not, check it out by the end of this one. But today we've got the arrivals of MSC Grandiosa, Explorer of the Seas, and of course Disney Adventure. So let's go ahead and we're going to make our way into Port Canaveral. If you're new to the channel, my name is Brandon. We do ship spotting videos like this. We even live stream these arrivals and departures as well, so don't miss those, and ship tours and much, much more. If you like today's video, be sure to leave a like. It tells YouTube to recommend it to more people. And of course, with that, we will go ahead and let you in, sit back, relax, and enjoy the arrivals. that'll do it for all the arrivals here in Port Canaveral this morning. Again, we had the big arrival of Disney Adventure for the very first time today. We've done their own dedicated videos several times for Disney Adventure to this point, but looping it in with all of the other arrivals from this morning. And again, we had a great look at MSC Grandiosa, one of my favorite ships as of right now after recently sailing on her. And then Explorer of the Seas, always good to see her. So great morning here. Although weather conditions were definitely not ideal. Very cold here for Florida and raining on top of it. So not the best ship spotting conditions, but nonetheless had an amazing time this morning. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe down below for all ship spotting videos like this and even the ship spotting live streams for arrivals and departures. Disney Adventure is only here for just a few days as of the time of recording this at least, so we're going to try to see this ship as much as we possibly can over the next 10 days that she's here until January 27th. So definitely stay tuned for all the upcoming Disney Adventure content that we have, and of course, all the Grandiosa videos that we have coming up very soon as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.